Hello, I hope you are doing great. As you may know, we are creating FairPlayTube. FairPlayTube is the next generation of video sharing portals focused on users and transparency. And one of the things that we are doing in the platform is allowing both creators and platform users or viewers to make some income from within the platform. So, how are we doing that? First, one of the things in which we are helping creators is by allowing them to sell access to their content creation, to their videos, right? So they will be able to choose to upload the videos and set the price or put it at zero. So those will be free. But they also have the option to set a specific price higher or greater than zero, and the users will have to buy access to that video in order to be able to watch it. So everyone will be able to see the free videos, but the paid videos they will have to pay to have access, right? Now, we understand that when the platforms grow and there are a lot of users that or there's a lot more of content, um, you may be limited, right? And you have to choose or to have better care on where to invest your money when buying access to videos. So that's also one of the reasons why we are creating ways to allow platform users that may not necessarily be creators to earn some money within the platform, right? So the more money you earn or the more chances you have of making money within the platform, the more chances you have of both make a living from it and buy access to video creators or creators videos, right? And help them also make a living, right? We are creating Fair Play Tube with a philosophy of fair play, which one of the features or characteristics of it is try to help everyone, right? And be fair with the creators and users, especially with the creators. So that's one of the reasons we want to be sure they can make or earn some money from the very first video they upload if they choose to. We are also enhancing the UI because we are making it compatible with um, MAUI Blazor, and we plan to release the MAUI Blazor version probably by the start of next year. Okay, so as a user, one of the things that you will be able to do is you will be shown this icon, right? And this icon represents that that video has available jobs. So if you were a user, you could later click that icon and apply to those jobs, right? But in here you will be able to see like the amount of available jobs that are or that exist for that specific video, but it also tells you the combined amount or the total money you will be able to earn from all of those jobs in that specific video, right? Then you will be able to buy access to that video, right? If those were not free, right? We are still working on that part, but this is part of the idea, and we are creating, enhancing the icons and reducing some text to enhance a lot the UI. Things that you can do at the moment is upload the videos, right? Set a price, set a description, upload it from an URL. We temporarily remove the support for uploading videos from a file uh, because of some delays on Blazor WebAssembly. There were multiple delays, one when you select the file and one when you upload the file to the server, and that didn't look that good. So we chose to instead use file URL. You will be able to add money or funds to your FairPlayTube wallet using PayPal. You will be able to see the list of pending videos or that are on your queue, right? So I already uploaded all of videos I had for testing, and they all have already been processed, so there is nothing on my queue at the moment. You will be able to see your own videos, right? You will be able to see some of the users. You will be able to search. Currently, you only can search by the keywords, right? But we are going to improve that. And of course, this is the main page where you can see the insights, right? You can play the video in here, and you can choose uh, some of the insights categories, right? And navigate to the actual place in, in that video, right? You will be able to see the monetization links if a user has already configured them. You will be able to see the video description as long as the title, right? Users will be able to buy. This is not implemented yet. Users will be able to see the list of jobs, which is not implemented yet, at least the part to see them and apply to those jobs. That has not been implemented yet. But yeah, that's some of the current progress in FairPlayTube. I hope you like it, and please let us know in the GitHub repository the ideas that you would like to have in this system. Also, please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and hear the videos. By the way, check the link in the video description so you can get into the queue to becoming a FairPlayTube beta tester. Thank you very much and have a great day.